Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Your thyroid can be found a few fingers below your Adam's apple. It's a butterfly-shaped gland that plays a very important role in your body. It produces thyroid hormones. These hormones are like fuel for our body, stimulating all of our organs so they perform their functions. When your thyroid doesn't work well, you may notice several symptoms, such as sudden weight gain or loss. Other distinct symptoms, such as fatigue and restlessness, can also be an indication that your thyroid may not be functioning correctly. When it isn't functioning correctly, your thyroid may end up producing too many hormones, hyperthyroidism, or not enough hormones, hypothyroidism, causing different symptoms. It's possible to improve the function of your thyroid naturally by including certain foods in your diet. Eating foods that are rich in selenium, zinc, and magnesium will help you maintain your thyroid's health. If you have an inactive thyroid, foods rich in iodine are also very important. Another very special ingredient for your thyroid is coconut water. Since coconut water improves your bowel movements and digestive functions and helps you lose weight, it is great for anyone suffering from hypothyroidism. This is because their natural enzymes stimulate your thyroid, both if it's producing too much or too little. So let us teach you a special recipe that will help regulate your thyroid. It calls for coconut water and other beneficial ingredients. Ingredients: 1 liter of filtered water, 500 milliliters of coconut water, 1 4 to 5 centimeter piece of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 glass of cranberry juice, optional, 1 pinch of nutmeg, half a glass of orange juice, freshly made, the juice of 2 small lemons, made on the hour. To make this drink, start by heating the water. When it starts to boil, add the cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. Lower the heat and let it simmer for a few minutes. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Add the lemon juice, orange juice, water, coconut oil, and cranberry juice and mix well. It is recommended that you consume this drink during the day and store it in the refrigerator. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.